Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable theme independent data layer for Shopify. I mean, if you'd like to change your theme, then there is no effect. You need data layer, and also we will configure it with Google. Google Analytics for Schema, according to Google Analytics for Schema and Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Snapchat, TikTok, so and so on. And also we will configure it the way you can see the data layer in Google Tag Manager properly, and you can see the data layer in Google Tag Manager preview mode, that you can help to check the data layer is working or not. So first of all, I need to show the preview mode, and then I will walk you through the entire process. How can I set up? So this is our website. You can see, if you would like to change, check the Shopify admin panel, you can check. Okay, this is our website, and you can see the preview mode. Okay, so our Google Tag Manager is connected. You can see that custom page view. Okay, and also you can see the Google Tag Manager custom view item. You can see. Okay, if you'd like to check or verify the men's New Balance, okay, casual shoe, okay, you can see men's New Balance casual shoes. Okay, and also you can see the data layer in Google Tag Manager, add to cart. And if you go to checkout page, then you can see the data layer also. You can see the data layer custom begin checkout. You can see all data according to J for schema. Okay, you can see men's New Balance casual shoes, and also you can see begin checkout. Okay, you can check men's New Balance casual shoes. Okay, so I will show you the next time. I will show how can I how did I set up the whole process. I will walk you through the whole entire process step by step. If you would like to the next video, you have to comment full tutorial. Inshallah, next time I will show you how did I set up the full data layer, theme independent data layer. So thank you for watching this video. If you think this it is helpful for you, then you can like and comment.